Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new video. The unit I'm going to be showing you guys today, I am so excited about. I have wanted to review one of these wigs on my channel for the longest time, and I just could never get my hands on one that I really liked. With that said, the unit is called Cotton Candy Large. It is a cropped, lightweight afro, and it was sent over to us by our friends at Gleemade. So shout out to you, Jess. Thank you so much for sending this wig over for me to review. I am so excited about it. I was strolling on the website for a wig to review. I showed this one to my mom, and she was like, yep, get that one, the large one. Because I was going to get the smaller one, and she was like, no, get the large. So I'm glad that I did. It comes packaged in this beautiful bag. It says Gleemade on it. It says Luxe Virgin Human Hair. However, the unit that I have is a synthetic unit, and I can't wait to get it unboxed for you guys. So I just want to tell you a little bit about Gleemade while I was getting the wig itself unboxed. Gleemade actually is a beauty brand that focuses on hair care, garments, and accessories. It is Black owned and founded by our girl, Jessica Thomas. And I will leave a picture of Jess up here. If you don't know who Jess is, girl, I am so happy that I'm able to introduce you to her. She is one of the sweetest, kindest people. And baby, she is about her business. You hear me? So if you remember from way back ago, long ago, those of you who've been around the wig game for a while, her channel used to be called Jess the Dragoness. So she did change her name, and I think it is so much more fitting to use her own name because she is absolutely gorgeous. Look at her, guys. So Gleemade's wigs are designed by, of course, Jess. They are handcrafted, and they're created by a factory in Indonesia. She uses Indonesia instead of China because it's just a better fit, and cheaper is not always better. So she wants her stuff on point, on game, so she's giving us the best. This allows her to be able to offer premium quality, high heat resistant synthetic fibers, and revolutionary designs, colors, and textures. Now, she also does offer you guys like high quality tape in and clip in sets and human hair bundles that are perfect for sew-ins, weave installs, for making wigs, and of course for quick weaves. She also offers a program called Community Cares, which I thought was so neat when I was reading about it. And what it is she offers a Community Cares package. It's a free monthly gift that is given to a deserving individual or survivor of cancer or cancer warrior. Gleemade teamed up with the foundation Spida Strong, and they're producing this gift to someone every month. And I just think that is just a beautiful incentive to give to someone, very uplifting, definitely a way to show somebody a little piece of heaven. Each package consists of either health or beauty products. So definitely, you guys, check that out, support that. And, you know, she has like a form online that you can submit someone. Jess is in the DC area. And another great thing that I like about her company is she does offer same-day doorstep delivery. So if you're in the DC and the PG County, Maryland zip code, then you can go on the site and read about her same-day delivery. So let's get into this little baby here. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. Like I said, it is premium synthetic fibers. I have this in the color 1B, just in time for Juneteenth. The texture is soft, it's fluffy, it's coily. It is, like I said, high quality synthetic fibers. It is about approximately 10 inches long, and the density on it is full. Now, you guys, this is a full cap wig. There is no lace to cut off, so that's nice for those of you who don't like fooling with lace fronts and yada, yada, yada. This is what the cap construction is looking like. Let me, hold on, get it turned inside out for you. So it is a total, you guys, of 2 combs. You got 2 combs in the front, okay? And you got your 2 adjustable straps in the back. And this is what the cap is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead, get this one off, get this on. We'll style it up and see what it's looking like. I'm so excited about this. Now, in case you're interested, the unit I have on is by Outre. It's every number 5. It's just a slap and go. And I think that's going to be the exact same with this beautiful unit from Gleemade. So let me get it on. Y'all ready? Let's go. This is going to be real quick and easy.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart be raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
All right, you guys, this is my final look. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. Wait, I don't think I gave y'all a 360. Hopefully I got it combed out nice. Oh my God. I keep having to bend down to be able to fit all the hair in the frame. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, even my husband loved it. I had to go upstairs and show him. So you guys, this thing is so beautiful. It's very lightweight. Haven't gotten any shedding. I couldn't find like my regular pick to comb it out, but really I mostly just combed it out, just finger combed it. I did like lift a little with this, but literally if you just take it out the bag, shake it up and just finger comb it, you're going to be just fine. This thing is beautiful. I love the coily texture of it. Look at that, y'all. It is so absolutely gorgeous. It is lightweight. I would say probably in like 100 degrees weather, it's probably going to be a little hot on you. But I also like the fact that she kind of built in a bang here in the front, because you can literally, let me see, I'm going to try to put a headband on. I was trying to find one to kind of match my dress, but you could literally stick a headband in this. Look at that. And you still have bangs here in the front. There's no need to like make any baby hairs. If you don't have edges, it's not a problem. You guys, this wig is everything. I love, love, love it. Oh my God. So you got a couple styling options. I like having just the Afro. I cannot wait to go out in this. Like, I cannot. It is so gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Big head friendly. I would say, let's say big head associate, because it does have the adjustable strap in the back. The cap itself, like I have a 23-inch head and it is fitting me just comfortably. So I would definitely say it for sure is a big head associate. If you have a 23-inch head or larger, larger than 23, it might be fit kind of rubber band is showing you, but 23 and a half, you're definitely going to be just fine in this. Look at that, y'all. This feels like my hair. Yeah. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Jess, for sending this out to me. I am keeping this in my wig arsenal. I will not sell this one, baby. Y'all will not get it. You need to go get your own. I will leave all the information for Gleemade in my description box. And this is a winner chicken dinner. I would definitely say on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best wig ever, you guys, I'm giving this bad boy a 10 because it's just like the shape of it, everything. I love it. She also has one that's smaller. So if this is a little too much hair for you, you can definitely get one of the smaller. I think it's either small or medium. I can't remember. But I think I might go back and get that one as well. But this is gorgeous. I love it. All right, guys, so let me know what you think about it. If you're going to be picking her up, you guys, this is a great wig for all year long. I am so happy. I am so happy. All right, y'all. Hope you're having an absolutely blessed day. Sis, remember, girl, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.